In today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean and lubricate the chain of my Honda Rebel 500 CMX, and this will apply to any motorcycle out there. So the materials and tools I have: this scrub brush right here, chain cleaner, chain lubricant. At the end, I'm going to polish and just clean the parts that have been sprayed. Microfiber towel and the shop towel, and let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna take this chain cleaner and spray the chain. All right, here we go, and I'm gonna rotate the tire this way. Yeah, I'm gonna take the scrub brush and I'm gonna put the scrub brush against the chain like that, and I'm gonna press into the chain and rotate the tire this way, and just spin. Okay, and then go the other way by pushing the brush into the chain. All right, that's good. Now I'm gonna take this brush and put it on the side of the chain like that at the angle, and I'm gonna turn the wheel this way and then go the other way. We're gonna do the same on that side, on the inner side of the chain. We're gonna turn this way and then go the opposite way. And it's gonna ensure that we clean this chain very well. All right, so that's done. Now I'm gonna take my scrubbing brush and I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna do this motion up and down on the chain. Here we go. And the other way. We can stop right there. And with the shop towel, we're gonna put it right here. We're gonna turn the tire this way. And we're just gonna remove all this excess grease and dirt off the chain. And we're gonna turn it the other way. All right, that's good enough. I'm gonna take this microfiber towel and I'm gonna start cleaning the top portion of the chain, just like that, with my fingertips. Just clean like that while you're rotating the tire. So we're just cleaning this top side. Get it nice and clean. Now we're gonna take this towel and put it on the front side of the chain, this side that's facing me, and we're gonna do the same while we're spinning the tire. And you can take on this as long as you want. You can take 10 minutes or you can do this for 30 minutes. It just depends on how clean you want it. Do the same on the other side, which is on the back side of the chain right there. And just get each one of those chain links when you clean it, you're taking the towel in between the grooves. You see, between the two chain links, and you get it clean inside of there. And just do the same for each one. That's if you want to get it really clean and nice looking chain. At least that's what I do. Once I do this side, I'm gonna move and clean the back side of the chain too. You did a really good job, and you cleaned the chain from all directions, and it looks shiny and clean, doesn't have any dirt debris on it. You're gonna take this chain wax, shake it up. On the back side, it shows you rotational direction, so you should rotate the tire this way, okay? And you're gonna be applying to the inside of the chain, and the inside of the chain is over here, okay? So you gotta pick a spot where you're gonna start. You don't want to overspray, and you're not spraying the sides, you're just spraying on the inside. That's the first rotation. We're on the second one. Now we're doing the third one. So that was 3 rotations. And I'm just gonna apply it one more time. That's it. That's all you need. I just rotate it really good. Spin that tire. I clean and lubricate my chain every 500 miles or less. I take this microfiber towel, and I'm gonna spray it with the my cleaner and polish spray. And I'm just gonna clean the overspray, like the tire, this frame, the cover of the chain, the sprocket right here. Get everything nice and clean. Just like that. Wipe this part. Wipe the rims. I'm gonna go ahead and post the links below this video to the products I've been using and the tools. Thank you for watching this video, and happy chain cleaning.